Step 1. Download the app control software on your mobile phone. Select your mobile operating system. Open the mobile browser and scan the corresponding QR code to download the playback Lite software. Step 2. Connect the mobile phone to the product Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi issued by the connection product is M5H B23-00457. And the connection password is 123456778. Step 3. Open the software and select the language. There are many languages to choose from in the software. Choose the language you want to operate in. Step 4. Enter the software to check the product connection status. Click the Go option caused by the arrow to enter the page to see if the device is connected normally. Here you can see the basic status of the product. Step 5. Use software to control the product. Select the current product number in the upper right corner, then click Solution List and click Add Test. Enter the product resolution width of 680 and height of 281 and enter the editing mode. Click the green plus button to add the item and create a video playback option. Select the created item, click the gray plus sign below, and select the video option in the selection. Go to the phone album, select the video you want to play, and finally select the green button in the middle to cover the screen. Step 6. Video Text Addition Operation. Click the green plus button again, select Text Add, select the added text box, and move it to the middle, and align the left and right with the screen border. Then, select the middle media attribute button under the condition of the selected text box to write text. After setting the text, adjust the playback time of the text and the video playback time to the same in the play attribute to complete the effect of the simultaneous existence of text and video. When everything is done, click the green Save option in the upper right corner to save all settings. After saving, send the set program list through the green Sent button on the left. Choose the current product, and wait for the progress bar to complete.